Okay, here we have the Brother EM411 typewriter. Now this I just got today at the waterfront rescue mission I paid, I give the cashier $20 and I got a change back. Now this has got a word processor built into it. Let me turn it on here. And you press L/L, engages it to a word processor. Now let me type a little something here. The quick brown fox brown. Good thing about this, it actually has a digital screen on it. You can correct mistakes before they go on paper. Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 times, and we click enter, and that puts it in auto. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that good, YouTube, or what, but we click the enter button and watch what it does. Played it back like a computer, only it's a typewriter. Oops, finger put in the way. But you disengage the computer and you can just type like usual. Oops. The thing about this one is better than the Selectric is it corrects the mistake without having to retype the letter. Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, over the You can do it like that, or you can do the word processor. I'd prefer the word processor because the word processor here that's built in right here does the job so much quicker than you do with a manual typewriter. I love my new brother typewriter. This thing is so open. It's so very cool. Okay, don't know if you can see that too well, but I said it out loud. was a very great day. Today was Valentine's Day. I went to the mall with my sister. Oops. Today with my sister and we went we went to the mission, and that's where I got my new brother typewriter. Got my new typewriter. Okay, the typewriter did have a little something up with it. I haven't mentioned it to my parents yet, but when you put it on center, then it won't do anything after that. The screen will just sit there saying centering. I'm not sure what that's supposed to do, but it'll just sit there doing nothing. But I did have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this. I did try to upload a video of I was trying to build a little tripod, a teepee, Indian teepee out of sticks. It didn't upload because it was too long. But anywho, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Well, I hope you subscribe. I hope you like this. And if you could, please throw in a few comments. I haven't got any comments on anything so far. But thanks for watching. This is a nice machine. Okay.